Hi, I'm Erin Rigetti. I'm here with Partnering 360 Insight at BioEurope Spring in Paris. I'm here with Jean-Marc Bourez. He's the head of ICT Health and within the Strategy, Development and Innovation Department at Sanofi. Welcome.
Welcome.
Now, Sanofi is a major sponsor of BioEurope Spring, thank you. And you work closely with the Paris region and all the clusters, specifically medicine. Can you tell me more about that?
Yeah, obviously, Sanofi is strongly involved within the medicine competitiveness clusters. We are strongly committed to take our responsibility to help competitiveness cluster to boost relationship between SMEs, startups, academic and university to fostering innovation and help all key players from small company to large company to develop obviously healthcare solutions and help market access of these solutions on the French market and European market. That's why we are strongly committed within medicine competitiveness clusters, and we have also decided to help other competitiveness clusters within the ecosystem and the French ecosystem. That's why we decided to help these one to organize specific relationship in translational approach with Cap Digital, for example, or systematic and other competitiveness cluster.
Now tell me, you had some special, or medicine rather, had some special presentations yesterday on ICT Health, and that's a focus area of Sanofi. Can you tell me more about that?
Yeah, obviously. In our opinion, we are convinced that there is no key players which is able to manage and to be able to address all the capabilities and how within the value chain of ICT Health. So it's a large and huge kind of capabilities to develop such a solution, to put ICT Health solutions on the market. That's why it's really important to collaborate between academic, university, large company, SMEs, startups, to co-develop through open innovation framework these ICT Health solutions. So in 2014, we have decided to involve Sanofi at the presidence of ICT Health Commission Paris Region, which is the association between medicine, Cap Digital, which is a digital cluster, really important digital cluster, systematic, more based on the software, hardware, and sensor and medical device, and other innovation structures such as incubators, Paris Region, Paris & Co, such as accelerators, so collaboration between the Canadian technology accelerators in France, close to the Paris & Co institution and medicine, and with other clusters which are in place in Paris Region, such as Optics Valley, Silver Valley. Silver Valley is more focused on healthy living and active aging, and finance innovation, obviously, to develop, first of all, attractiveness and now how to boost open innovation and collaboration between players, authorities and payers to support the market access of solutions, to expand massively the relationships between startup SMEs and large company through collaborative projects, and to facilitate the access of public funding, French public funding or European public funding, and to provide white papers and proposals to notified bodies and authorities to remove barriers for market access on specific topic and develop attractiveness of these territories.
Yeah, that's an important role as a big pharma, to be able to affect change in that way, going straight to the, the regulatory authorities and stressing the importance of getting the drugs to market and market access.
Yeah, that's why Sanofi has decided to take its responsibility to involve Sanofi within this ecosystem. And from our perspective, we have decided to be pragmatic, and we have focused our effort on specific working group to be able to deliver concrete results within the ecosystem on big data and smart data, on business model and evaluation, and on biomarkers. So I've decided as a chairman of these ICT Health Competitiveness clusters to delegate the presidents of these working group to specific experts to be able to stimulate the ecosystem to be able to generate specific and concrete projects on big data, on business model, and on biomarkers.
Wow, that's a big goal and very impressive. So that you kind of touched on it. How you touch on how you affect open innovation and can you tell me more about how you work on open innovation, how you affect it within the life science culture here in France and otherwise?
We are establishing a specific partnership between incubators and Sanofi, for example, to be able to identify and scout new innovative startups. And we have specific needs within the company. So we are able to act such as procurement actors towards the ecosystem. So we need specific competencies and techno bricks from startups or SMEs. So we put on the market request for proposal to be able to address our internal needs and support our drugs development, to support our marketing teams to put our products on the market, and to be able to develop a specific ICT health solution close to our drugs and improve, for example, treatment adherence, compliance, follow-up treatment, and so on. So we ask to the market specific capabilities to address our internal needs. By the way, we are able, obviously, also to collaborate with ecosystem through living labs, test beds, and open innovation structures. We have already set up in France an open IT innovation lab in Paris-Saclay, clusters to collaborate between academics, university, APHP, and startups and SMEs on specific projects to co-develop these kind of ICT health projects before launch these kind of projects on the market. And last but not least, we are strongly involved within the European initiatives. I talk about the call for project of European Institute of Innovation Technology, and we are strongly involved and committed within the ICT Health initiatives, which is a pan-European clusters dedicated to health and innovation on medical device, chronic disease management, biomarkers discovery, drugs discovery, and so on. So Sanofi is quite involved within these ICT Health structures, and
very forward-thinking company, very patient-centered also. So, well, it's been a pleasure speaking with you today. Thank you.
Thank you very much.